Hey YouTube, Josh here with the Carpet Repair Guys. Wanted to show you some of my favorite projects through the years. Classic pet damage here at the doorway. We get these every single week. Here's another one with some rippling, so stretched and sectioned back in place. Pony wall removed, so we took out the tack strip, put in some pad and carpet. Paint on the stairs. They didn't have enough carpet to replace the steps, so we had to section those out, believe it or not. Here we got some hookah burns. Fix these up a lot. Oh, don't worry, man's best friend. Carpet Repair Guys is your best friend. Here we got bleach at a restaurant. Cut that out, section it up. Now, is that not one of the cutest dogs ever? Not so cute what he did on the carpet. Sectioned out, took care of. Here we got some dye marks. Each one of those replaced. Got some more dye. You can see the example of the cutout, section, no seam lines. Here's another remodel job. I love these. Pattern match here at a hotel. Dye marks all over the carpet. Whoops. Hey, no problem. We can take care of it. Pet damage at a doorway. I think this one was a cat. Section in place. This is a paint. I think they removed the bed and found that paint dried up there. Bleach with some dye marks. Sectioned in place. Hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends if you like our content here. Carpet Repair Guys, saving carpets.